Good morning, students. Welcome to the session of virtual classes. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and studying well. Students, today I, Renu Tyagi, your computer teacher, going to continue lesson number 6, formatting a Word document. Lesson 6. Some formatting features we have learnt already, and today I am going to tell you formatting paragraph. To format the paragraph, students, first of all, we can change its alignment. Understand what is alignment? Alignment means positioning of the text on a page. What is the meaning of alignment? It means position of the text on a page. मीन्स सपोज ये टेक्स्ट है, इसको हम इस पेज पर किस तरीके से अरेंज करते हैं, इसकी पोजीशन क्या रखते हैं, दैट इज द अलाइनमेंट. There are various types of alignments in MS Word, like there are different types of alignments like left alignment, second right alignment, justified alignment, number 4 center alignment. When we use left alignment, text appears in this position of the page. If we are using right alignment, then text will appear in this part of the page, right? And justified alignment leave equal spaces left and right hand side. Okay, and center alignment is used to place the text in the center of the page. It is clear? Now we have to learn the steps to apply the alignments. Steps to change the alignment are: first of all, we have to select the text. What is the meaning of this? सपोज करो ये लाइन जो है, इसका मुझे अलाइनमेंट चेंज करना है, तो सबसे पहले माउस की हेल्प से मैं इस लाइन को सिलेक्ट करूँगी. आफ्टर इट गो टू द होम टैब and then select the required alignment from the paragraph group. Means here you have to find the paragraph group. In it, select the desired alignment. Same steps I will show in your book also. ओके, ताकि आप कंफ्यूज ना हो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टेक्स्ट हैज़ टू बी सिलेक्टेड. सपोज करो मुझे ये टेक्स्ट का अलाइनमेंट चेंज करना है, तो मैं पहले इसको सिलेक्ट करूँगी. ठीक है. आफ्टर इट गो टू द होम टैब. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज होम टैब हियर, एंड इन दिस टैब you have to find the paragraph group. Here this is the paragraph group. All four types of alignments appear in this group. Okay. From here you have to click on the desired alignment. As you will click, it will apply on the selected text. You can also use some shortcut keys to apply the alignment. These are for the left alignment. You can press Ctrl plus L. For the center alignment, you can press Ctrl plus E. For the right alignment, press Ctrl plus R. And for justify alignment, press Ctrl plus J. For the right alignment, Ctrl plus R. For the justify alignment, we can press Ctrl plus J. This is the Ctrl plus J. Our next topic is line spacing. This feature is used to give the vertical distance between two lines. This is used to give vertical distance between two lines. मीन्स दो लाइन के बीच में कितना गैप हम दे रहे हैं, दैट इज द वर्टिकल अलाइनमेंट या लाइन स्पेसिंग. ओके, यहाँ देखिए ये दो लाइन है, इन दो लाइन के बीच में जो ये डिस्टेंस मैंने छोड़ा है, दिस इज द लाइन स्पेसिंग. ओके. Steps to change the line spacing are: first of all, we have to select the text. After selecting the text, go to the home tab. In the home tab, find the paragraph group. In this group, you have to you have to click the line spacing button. See these steps in your book also. Students, select the text first of all. As here it has been as text have been selected here. After it, go to the home tab. This is the home tab. In the home tab, this is paragraph group. Find out it, and here you have to click on line spacing. This is the line spacing. As you click here, you get the list of different line spacing. You can select your desired line spacing from here, or you can set according to you also from here. Now select the required option from the drop down list. इस जो लिस्ट आपके सामने ओपन हुई थी उस लिस्ट से आपको कोई भी नंबर सेलेक्ट करना है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज हियर क्रिएटिंग नंबर लिस्ट. टू क्रिएट अ नंबर स्टूडेंट्स देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ लिस्ट इन कंप्यूटर. ओके, ये अभी आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी मैं थोड़ा सा इसको बता देती हूँ. In computer there are two types of list. One is ordered list and another is unordered list. Okay. Ordered list is जिसको हम numbered list भी कहते हैं is the list in which number of objects are fixed. Means जिसमें items का number जो है वो fix होता है. ठीक है, उसको हम बोलते हैं numbered list या ordered list. And whereas unordered list is that list where order of the items इज नॉट फिक्स. ओके, जैसे मैं आपको एग्जांपल देती हूँ कि अगर मैं नेम लिखती हूँ रोल नंबर 1 राहुल, रोल नंबर 2 राखी, रोल नंबर 3 सीमा, रोल नंबर 4 सोहन, लाइक दिस. ओके, यहाँ पे ये फिक्स है कि फर्स्ट नंबर जो है वो राहुल का ही है, सेकेंड नंबर राखी का है and third number is for Seema, fourth is for Sohan. So all these numbers are fixed for each name. Clear to you? So this list is called numbered list or ordered list. Okay, if I write like this, Rakhi, Seema, Sohan, Rahul. देयर इज़ नो एनी ऑर्डर. यहाँ पे कोई फिक्स ऑर्डर नहीं है, किसी को भी हम पहले लिख सकते हैं, किसी को भी हम बाद में लिख सकते हैं. इस टाइप की लिस्ट को हम बोलते हैं अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट. नाउ यू हैव टू लर्न हाउ टू क्रिएट द नंबर्ड लिस्ट. स्टेप्स टू क्रिएट number list. First of all, you have to select the text. Suppose I want to display this list as a numbered list. So first step is to select it. इसको select करेंगे. ठीक है, after selecting it we have to go to the home tab. Where we have to go? We have to go to the home tab, right? In the home tab again we have to find the paragraph group. In the paragraph group find the numbering button. Students, as we click on numbering button, numbering library appears on the screen. Now you have to select the desired numbering style. Selected style will appear on the selected items. These steps can be seen in your book. First of all, you have to select the text. Okay, here whatever you have written to display as a numbering list, that you have to select. After it, go to the home tab. In the home tab you have to find what? You have to find the paragraph group. Here paragraph group is given. From that group you have to click on numbering button. Here numbering button is given. This one button is numbering button. ये यहाँ पर as you click on numbering button, this dialog box appear. Okay, this is the numbering gallery. From here you can select any one type of numbering. Okay, as you will click, it will appear on the selected text. Students, this is our today's class. Your today's homework is, you have to do answer the following in one word, short answer type question, long and multiple choice questions also in your notebook. Okay, answer of these will be given in the PDF of the computer science. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.